Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. You know, in my head I hear music, when you come to my channel, you'll be like, welcome back to my channel. Like, it's a party when you come back to my channel. Anyways, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Sorry, this stupid hair. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new week. Today we are going to start off with a challenge, everybody. And you know what that challenge is? Hands only makeup challenge. Makeup challenge with only your hands. My hands are clean, I promise. Look at them. They are clean, but I should probably take off the rings. Okay, so why do my hairs keep doing that right there? Alright, so my beautiful tools I got used today, they're up on the stand. This is just as a background today. Well, that's okay. I'm used to my hands anyway, so if you guys are ready to see what's gonna happen in this video, then keep on watching. Guys, are you guys ready for this? Well, it's not gonna be that hard to do this challenge because, I used to just use my hands all the time. So it's actually gonna be pretty nice. I don't know. I really fell in love with my tools, so it's gonna suck. It is really gonna suck. And if you hear a little bit of oh, it's because my lover's out there playing Fortnite. Let's start off with our everyday Milani Prime Perfection. Sorry, I was really late. Let's get it on these fingers. That's what I do with my primer anyway. Put it on my fingers and rub it in. So let's get this hands warmed up. Get this primer going. I'm scared today because I don't know how I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I don't have a plan for that, but you know what? We're just gonna wing it until we get there. So, primer on. Now let's get foundation on. I used to rub in my foundation when I started doing makeup like a lotion. It wasn't that bad. Alright, so let's get this. So you know what about this? I may have put a little too much, and you know what? It's not gonna soak up into my beauty blender. There we go. Feels so wrong. Why does this feel so wrong? Okay. Of course, got foundation on the lips still. I got my foundation on. Oh, my Wet n Wild. I use the same stuff all the time because, this is easier than... I just don't have enough money to go out and keep buying a bunch of things to keep trying, because then buy them with the only moolah I have, and then, it not work. Does this count as using a tool? Put it down with these. Alright, let's get this going. Oh god. I feel a lot of this on my hand. What is she doing? What is she doing? No hands! Just kidding. Cause I know some of you out there used to use your hands to blend things out. Everybody has used their hands before. Alright. Got that concealer on. For some reason my foundation compared to my, it's looking a little darker. It's okay though. Alright, let's add, we'll do cream products first. Let's get this on there. My forehead. And let's blend this out. Looks like, oh god, I may have put a little bit too much. Alright, let's give it a slay. You're supposed to use this hand for this side and this hand for this side so they have a little bit of symmetry. We got the cream contour going on. Let's get it in the hair. Get it in the hair. Makes it real nice and slick if you get it in the hair. My forehead is looking really small now. Shrink forehead. Alright, well, you know, just add some of that to there. Here we go. Alright. Let's, oh god, take our powder into our fingers and just dab it in. Feels like I'm beating up my eyes. Alright. Oh god, we gotta set the eyelids too. Let's get those babies set. Finish setting my face. Alright. Let's add it to like the edges of my hands like this. And then this. Add the powder to the edges of my hands. And we're gonna go like this. Whoa! We cut him. We cut him, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. I think we did a pretty good job. Check that out. Another thing I'm afraid of is for my eyebrows. Oh god. We should probably set the contour. So we take our Anastasia contour kit. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's set. Oh god. Let's get this set. Get the wet to dry set. Oh. Alright. Oh god. Gotta keep blending that out. Alright. Add a little bit there. Add a little powder is probably not the best. Alright. Everything is set. We did it, everybody. We did it. We did it. Go and see most. Okay. I'm just gonna dab into my eyebrow stuff. My eyebrow powder. We're just gonna. Just gonna add a little bit in there. Oh god. And give it a little flick, 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 flick. Alright. We got some progress going here. Alright. Don't worry. If it looks a little messy, you're still gonna clean it up. Alright, let's keep flick, 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 flick. Flick, flick, flick. Alright, let's clean these brows up. There we go. We got the brows all cleaned up. They ain't looking too shabby. So, now, I'm gonna take this Urban Decay. It's really pretty. It's an Urban Decay single pressed powder. Look at that shimmer. Look at that shimmer. It's like a really pretty purple. So we're gonna add that on top of our lid, and then we'll blend it out. Oh wow, that's looking nice. Yes. Now, so we have symmetry. We'll use a finger. And this little is an Urban Decay, and it's called Ether, I think. Ether. Yeah, this is my mama's. I borrowed it. Thank you, Mom. Oh god. That is really pigmented. We got a little bit down below, but that's okay. That's alright, that's okay. We're gonna fix it anyway. So, alright, ladies. We got our pressed pigment down. Let's just go in. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna take my contour with my pinky. We're just gonna blend out the edges, alright? Just blend out the edges. Alright, looking alright. We're looking alright. Let's blend out this side. We're gonna blend out this side. Blend out this side. I know you guys gotta be probably talking smack about me, but Don't. Okay, because I'm putting my heart on work. Alright. Extra blend. Blender. Look at my pigment. It kind of went away. Let's add a little more on top. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, should we add... How am I gonna do mascara? Damn. I didn't think about that. Alright, it looks like we're not wearing mascara today, ladies. So, let's highlight. Let's give us a little shabam. Let me get some highlight on my finger. Dab, 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 dab. It's my KYLIE Salted Caramel highlight. Ooh. Oh, we're glowing. Some more, though. Come on. Give me some more. Give me some more. Oh, shit. Now we're popping. Inner corner, ladies. Ladies and gents. And let's add some to the brow bone. Yes. Yes. Oh, can't forget our cupid bow. Let's give us a little shine here. Ooh. Ooh. My nose is a little shiny. And give the bridge a little shine. Ooh. We looking good. Let's add some gloss. This is a tool. Damn it. I got it. Let's get our lashes on. Like, I forgot the lower lash line. Oh well, that's okay. So let's grab our lashes. I usually use my tweezers when I lash line, but that's a tool. That is a tool, so I can't use those. And I know some people put lashes on with their hands, but I just, for some reason, these little stubs just cannot do it. So, oh god, let's just try this. Oh my god! That's the best they're getting, honey. Let's try this other side. Oh god. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, that one went on pretty good. I am holding my breath the whole time. So, alright guys. We did it, guys. I hope you guys like this look. Like, oh my god. It took a lot to get here. These little lashes are looking pretty wonky. Like, oh my god. Just no shade, everybody. I just hope you guys liked watching this video and go try it for yourself. Or if you do your makeup every day with just your hands, girl, god, I give you a bow. Good job to you for however you do your makeup. Alright guys, so if you guys liked this video, just give it a little thumbs up and leave me a little comment down below if there's something you guys would like to see, anything special. Tell me what to do, or you know, let me know if you actually can do your lashes with your fingers, because girl, I'm gonna give you all of my love, because how can you do that? I have no idea. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this today, or enjoyed us. So was someone here with me? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and hit that notification bell to be notified of all my upcoming content. Put on your seatbelt and buckle up for the ride, because we are going to be doing all kinds of stuff. Makeup tutorials, challenges, you know, I'm gonna try out maybe some vlogs. Dude, we are gonna live this YouTube life, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, Just stay along for the ride. And I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.